This could be like one of the last few videos you see the purple background. It's like an end of an era. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, just go stay tuned to my vlog channel and my socials. It's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is down below. Today I'm updating you on my project pan and I'm really excited and stuff. I'm really excited to be updating you. I didn't really think I had too much progress to update you on, but then I thought about it and I was like, actually I've made consistent progress in a lot of the things and I've also used up one thing. So I thought I would do this. Plus next month I'm hoping to start a mini project pan. So I'm gonna update you now because I don't think I'll do 2 project pans next month, but it is something exciting to look forward to. I know I've mentioned before that I kind of want to start a side project pan, but I think I mentioned that last month. So if you missed any of my previous updates, definitely catch up. I'll link it up in the cards. I'll also link my current pan that palette and then also any other videos down below, because obviously I only can pick 5 links to link in the cards and stuff. So yeah, but I'm really excited to get into my video. But yeah, I'm really excited to update you, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so looking at my little list that I made last month that I talked about, we're actually up to 22 products used up. I used up 1 since the last update. Last month we were at 21 and I used up actually a lot value-wise. I estimated some of them, but I forget what the value was, but it was really good and I was really impressed with myself because I usually fail at these project pans miserably. Usually I don't use this stuff up, but I'm really proud that I've used so much up this year. And yeah, pat on my back. I think I've done that before, but you know, let's do it again. Okay, so I've only used up 1 item and I'm just gonna quickly get into that. I keep all my items in this bag and stuff, and then I'll transfer them to a plastic bag after. It's just easier for me. But I used up my Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. My mom actually gave me hers, so it was half full when I got it. You can barely see the marks on this, literally barely. So we started off at here, started off there, and then we ended up getting down there to down there. And it's very impressive. With my progress with this, I'm really happy where I went with this, and this was in my project I think the whole time. Maybe not, maybe I only had it in for a couple months, but I'm really impressed with myself because these are really hard to use up and stuff. I know I used one up easily on Accutane, but that's because my lips are hella dry. Obviously I will use it all up, but I'm really happy that I used this up, and I believe this is like $20-something and stuff, so that we can add that on to our total. And I'm really excited and I'm just so happy I used this up. I have another one, but I'm gonna keep that out of the project, at least for now and stuff, because I'm using currently a different type of lip mask and I'm actually getting down to where I'm almost out of it. Not like almost, but I'm getting there with it. I definitely can see that one being gone in the next couple months, so I think I don't have that many of those, so I probably just hold off on panning something like this. And now I'm gonna just update you on everything else in no specific order. I'm gonna talk about this because I'm actually excited about this. This is my Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This one I have in the shade Plum Rose, and this is where we're at with it. I'm really happy with where we're at. We're basically at the point where we're around the edges, but it's still like easy to get it. And this is the blush I've been using every day lately. I haven't been switching up my blush every day, which has been a thing for me. Like, I just haven't been real into that. It just hasn't been something that I'm like real about switching up my blush, and I'm really impressed with this. And if you watch my everyday makeup, you can see me like apply this and stuff and see that routine and stuff. And I didn't film my blush in my little IGTV that I filmed today, but I did film this makeup look, so I'm probably gonna have that up by now, so I'll link it down below so you can watch it. But I'm really impressed with my blush progress, and I definitely could see this used up between the next few updates. I want to say maybe next 2 updates, which I think for this one I'll probably update you in the beginning of October, maybe November. It'll kind of depend on my progress by then. I definitely want to take a month off, so I'll be back in October, and then I'll probably will have like 2 or 3 more updates. So I want to say within the next maybe 1 to 2 updates if I keep using it how I have been, which is basically every day wear makeup, which I wear makeup I want to say like 3 to 5 days a week out of 7, at least right now. That's my current thing, but once I get like a full-time job again, because I'm hoping to get a full-time job instead of part-time, but that's besides the point. I think I'll be wearing makeup at least 5 days a week depending the job, so we'll kind of see, but I definitely think I could have this used up in a few months. Then we have the Too Faced Hangover XR Primer. I'm making really good progress with this. If you look at it, you can really tell that it's getting down there. And basically, I have to remark all these ones up, but I think it's basically down to here-ish. It's getting to the point where it's starting to spit, meaning it's not like coming out with a lot of product. So once it stops pumping, like I did with the last one, I'm most likely gonna cut this open, and then I could see myself probably having 1 to 2 weeks worth of use of it. Maybe probably closer to 1 since I'm dipping my finger in there. And I do cut open certain products because, I don't know, it's just a money saving thing for me. Not everyone will do that, but I like to do that, and we definitely have made good progress. We started up here, so I want to say like, I don't know how much that would be, maybe halfway full. And then last month we were down here. Actually I didn't, yeah, last month we were down there, and then now I think we're down like here. So that's great, impressive, and I'm really excited to get this out of my collection. And once I do get this out of my collection, which I think this will be in there for at least another month maybe, I will be adding in another primer. I know I said in my last update I probably wouldn't be adding in and replacing products, but primers I want to go through a few samples, so I probably will add one of those in here. Next, this is very exciting, and I was feeling very doubtful about this this morning, but then once I did my makeup, I was like, okay, I'm impressed. So this is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlight. I just don't love this for my skin tone anymore. I'm wearing it on my face today, and it works really great for summer, but in the wintertime, I'm just not really a fan of this. But yeah, this is Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and this is what it's looking like. Yes, I hit pan on it. I was so excited. Like, I was dipping in my brush, and this, I find that I couldn't get a lot off. I don't know if it's because I'm in the middle to end layer of it, but I just felt like I wasn't really getting much off, so I kept dipping, and then I hit pan on it, and I'm so happy I hit pan on it. For a while, I felt like this was just like so doubtful and stuff, and I'm just so happy to have hit pan on this. I don't use it a lot, but to hit pan on it after it being in the project, I want to say for the last couple months, I added this in after I finished Champagne Pop. I was super happy to have it in there. So pretty and stuff, and I feel like the design is wearing off, and then I also hit pan, which is crazy. It's so crazy, and I felt like I kept getting the dip down and down and down, and I finally used it up. I finally hit something on it. I hit pan on it, and I'm so happy. This one I think will stay until the rest of the project, but I am super excited to have hit something with this and stuff, and you can kind of see, like, I think that says made in, or maybe it doesn't say anything, but it has real progress, and I'm super excited. But like I said, I think it'll stay in for the rest of the project. Then I'm wearing this also on today, and actually I need to put more on. And this I've also hit progress on, which I'm really excited about. I had like oils on the top layer, so I had to scrape it a little bit, which is how I got a little bit of progress, but I also have been using this a decent bit. I really like this Maybelline lipstick. It's up to here, so we have like this much left of it, which I'm super excited about. I'm really hoping to get this out of my collection for the last year, get this out of my collection by the end of the year, but I've also had this in either the last 2 project pans. It's definitely, I don't know if it's been in every single project pan, which I've been project panning like products like this since 2018. I don't know if it was in my 2018 project pan or what the deal is, but I definitely have to check on that. But this has been in at least my last project pan in 2019, and then this is only my third project, so that's not that many. I definitely hit something with it, and I'm really excited. I want to keep using it. Honestly, I'm going to try and keep using this as much as I can. I honestly think this might be like a pretty blush shade. Like if you just apply a little bit and then blend it, I feel like it might be like a really pretty like fuchsia-y type blush. I might actually try that when I play with makeup, which I haven't been doing that much like at night, and I've been really into playing with different eyeshadow colors again. I kind of was in a rut with my makeup where I just wanted to do it and stuff, but now I'm kind of like, ooh, I want to play. Yeah, I definitely can see myself hitting more progress. I would like to have this maybe a smidgen more gone next month. It's hard to figure out like with lip products like where I want to be, but I definitely would like this to be more pan. My goal with this, I guess, I will put a number on it. I do want to use this almost every day, so I want to say by the next update, since I won't be updating next month, I'm going to say I want to use it at least 10 times. I feel like that'd be a good goal. So yeah, I will definitely work at that, but I'm really excited to have something with that now. And then I'll just do my other lip products since we're already on that. These ones I don't have strict goals on, but the first one is from Bare Minerals. This is their liquid lipstick in Wink, and I feel like when I look in there, you can kind of tell if you look at it in certain angles that it does have scratchings on it, so it's definitely there. But this one I need to use a lot more because I don't already, and I definitely want to have this used up. It's very old, but it still smells like vanilla and very good. I just don't love liquid lipstick, so a lot of times what I'll do is put this on, then put a gloss over it, which kind of defeats the matte purpose of it, but I just don't love liquid lipsticks. They are very harsh and drying on my lips. I'm just not a fan of that, but you can definitely see there's scratchings, and it's definitely has some progress, but I don't know if it's changed completely since my prior updates. And then we have the last lip product, and this one definitely has scratchings on it as well. This is the Aquarius Gloss from ColourPop. I really do like this and stuff, but it still definitely for sure has like a lot in it. You can definitely tell where it's been used, but I definitely will have this in for the rest of the project. Same with all my other lip products. I'd be impressed if I could use them up before them, but probably not. Glosses do take a little bit of time, and I love this gloss and stuff. The color is really pretty, and I definitely still have a lot left of it, but I can definitely see if I use this very frequently that I would get like good goals of it. And I think I had this either last month or the month before that, so definitely can see more it going. I definitely can see myself using it up. There are definitely progress marks on it, as you can see, but I definitely want to use it up. That makes any sense. I feel like I said use it up like 10 times. And lastly, we have this Trustique, and I don't have much more to go with this. I feel like I'm at a very good goal of this. I definitely have made progress on this, but I haven't actually used this in a while, so I'll definitely have to get this back out again and start using it, especially in the inner corner. And I definitely can see myself having this used up by the end of the project for sure, but maybe I could get this done sooner. That would be awesome. And like literally there's probably only like maybe 5 more uses out of it, which isn't a lot, so I would really love to have this used up. It's just so pretty. I just put a little bit on my hand to show you, but it is super pretty and stuff, and I just don't use shadow sticks like this anymore. So for me, I would really like to get that used up and out of my collection. And that is 7 things that are currently in the project, and I'm definitely looking to just keep this number stable. I'll probably keep it at 6 or 7 and stuff. Like primer, I'm probably gonna add another primer. Blush, not so much. And then the lip products, once I use them up, I wouldn't add another one in. But that's gonna be it for my Project Pan update for July. I probably won't update, like I said, next month, but I will update the month after. So beginning of October, you can expect an update from me. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you're panning right now, whether it's palette or products like these, like beauty products. Let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single week. I'm trying to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday again since my class is over and stuff. And yeah, my life is gonna get crazy because I'm hoping to have a full-time job soon and work soon, whatever that means for the time being. So life is gonna get a little crazy, but that's okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.